Today is the second day of rifle season. I didn't do an intro this morning. I was anxious to get out here in the ground line since I messed it up yesterday. So I got everything organized in here today, so I'll be more comfortable and I can get a shot if I had one. But I didn't see anything today. The wind was kind of bad. I'm about ready to get out now, and it's just got where the wind is calm. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Try it again another day. Shani didn't see anything today either, but he got one yesterday. My buddy Terry got one yesterday. So congratulations to both of them guys. But I didn't get anything this opening weekend this year, so maybe one day we'll get an evening hunt in. I'll probably get in my tree stand and see if I could do anything over there. But for today, we're gonna close it out. Hope everybody had a good first weekend rifle season and continue to have a good season throughout. Everybody stay safe out there. Family first. What's up, fam? Today is October the 19th. I got off a little early today, so I decided to come do an evening hunt. My plan was to sit in my tree stand, but I checked the camera and I didn't have any. Well, I had a few deer coming in, but I got a couple of coyotes and a dog that's coming in from somewhere. So I don't know if that's the reason why I haven't been seeing any deer on the camera. I put a little food plot up there and it's been growing pretty good and they were hitting it, but the last few days they haven't came over there, so I decided to come back and sit in the ground line. I know it's really not good to sit in the same stand every day, but I don't think I jumped anything on the way in or on the way out, so I decided to come back and sit here. So we'll sit here for a few hours and see if that thing come out. The wind is not blowing at all right now, so hopefully we'll have low winds and something will come through. But we'll see. All right, I got a dime, baby. Nice size doe. Next shot, right what I was going for. I had to wait on her for like probably 15 minutes because she stayed behind on the inside of the wood line. I couldn't see her, so I had to wait for her to step out. She had a phone with her and another doe that stayed way back. So once she came out, she started walking towards me, and I got a shot on her. All right, now the hard part begins. Let's go. What's up, fam? I just want to do a closing video for my hunt last night. And first I want to take my hat off to all you guys that hunt and video at the same time. I'm a beginner hunter, so trying to hunt and video at the same time, it's kind of hard for me. And I've lost a couple of deer by trying to video it and messed up on my shot. So this year I said I was going to focus more on my hunt and hopefully I get it on camera. So last night's hunt, I got it on camera, and I looked back at the footage, it was kind of dark, but I did get it on video. So hopefully you guys can see it. But it was about a 20-25 yard shot. Nice size doe. And I watched two doe in that phone for about 18 minutes. And I didn't want to move the camera because I didn't want to get busted. So, but luckily she walked out and gave me a shot, and I was able to get it on video. But I'm gonna keep trying, and hopefully you guys will subscribe and keep watching and keep liking the videos. Until the next hunt, family first.